Well, hello and good evening to you. How are you doing? We are in the throes of a big power cut here on Eday. The power's been off for about 4 hours and the services say it won't be back on until about 8 o'clock tonight. That's not too bad. We're ready, we're prepared. We have candles galore. Hot, 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 hot. Have to be careful not to burn my beard, but yeah, we're all prepared. Haggis, tatties and baked beans is doing really well on the fireplace now. So that's our food for tonight. And I thought, what better than do a bit of a wine review. What I have here is my golden syrup wine that I made 3 months ago. I used those tins of Tate & Lyle golden syrup. I added 2, water, yeast, no added sugar, and let it just ferment out until it was dry, finished fermenting, and here's the result. I'm pretty impressed with the colour. Lovely golden syrupy type of colour. You can probably see there, looking awesome. Oh, reflects the candlelight really well. I should be telling horror stories at this point, really, shouldn't I? All these candles and the power outage. It's also young Ron's first experience of being a prepper. Because we're all prepared, we're all ready, and he's loving the candles and the fire being on. It's very romantic, it is.
Hello.
Hello. So yes, it's very romantic, isn't it?
Very.
And we're loving a quiet night here. So peaceful without the... That's a nappy. It's... It's so peaceful and romantic without any background noise. It's amazing how noisy computers are when they hum in the background.
It's true.
And televisions admit that staticky noise even when they're off.
Even though the lights do that.
They do, yes. Yeah. So it's lovely just to be silent. Right, the golden syrup wine.
Oh dear.
Oh dear, but
what do you think?
well, I've tried a few glasses. So I'm going to pour some now and talk you through what I think. I won't offer you any because I know you're breastfeeding still.
Look at how curious he is though.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that wine. So colour wise, golden, clear, bright, lovely looking.
Shall I take it?
No, it's alright. Yeah, so lovely colour. I'm impressed. I didn't think it would clear as quickly as it did. I cold crashed it for 48 hours and that really helped the sediment to fall down. So taste wise, it's sweet, however a bit empty. There isn't the body to it that I was hoping for. The golden syrup flavour really comes through well. You can tell it's golden syrup. It's like, oh yeah, that's what it is, golden syrup. However, it is lacking in body. It doesn't have that ballsiness that I would like. It doesn't have the tannin or the body. Does it? No. The initial tones that hit you are the golden syrup. And then you're waiting for something else to come behind it and go, definitely a dessert wine. What I would do next time with this golden syrup wine is I'm thinking maybe make it into a porridge and golden syrup wine. It needs the body of some type of grain behind it, I think. Either a barley or a porridge oat, whole grain, something or other. Just to bring forward the texture behind the initial flavour. The flavour is good. It's just lacking in substance and body. Hey? We should retell ghost stories, shouldn't we? Talking about lack of bodies and substance. And things that go bump in the night. Talking of which, the haunted doll. Still in the caravan. Still need to finish off doing a few experiments with it. A few creepy things have been happening. They have, haven't they? So I'll deal with that another day when I get out of the caravan, when it's not too noisy out there with the storms. Oh, really? So, this is only a quick